How to solve Mi Home Xiaomi camera viewer buffering issue. Let's start. As you can see, my Xiaomi camera viewer is stuck on buffering, and I cannot see the feed of my camera. To be able to fix this problem, click your profile photo. Then, click General Setting. Under General Setting, disable or uncheck the Enable Hardware Acceleration. When done, click Close. Close your camera viewer. Next, open your Xiaomi camera viewer again. Click play to see the feed or view of your camera. And you have successfully fixed the buffering issue of your Xiaomi camera viewer. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have a question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.